When I say, baby, this had my face look like glowing. I don't know what's in it. It's me thinking I'm a real makeup guru. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh. Crazy hair. I am a little hungover from, oof, yeah, my hair is crazy. The festivities that transpired the last couple days. I look swollen. I need to depuff. I'm going to film a mini Sephora haul because I went a little crazy. Just a little, you know, this is about the marketing. This is what they do. They put all the products in front of you that you don't need but you really want. Oops. I had to lock up Bo because he's making too many noises, too many sounds. It has been a colorful week, as I must say. So Bo has kind of cough. Also found out he might have an ACL tear, like his mama. Same leg. What else? Got blood work done. Everything looks good. So I've been doing my job as far as everything. He is on arthritis, vitamins, supplements for now because whatever reason she said. Anything the vet says that she uses for her dog, I'm gonna use. So we have Chewy here because his mom decided to go to the Hamptons, which is totally okay because we love our Chew Boo. Over, as I said it before in my earlier video, it was a fun weekend. We celebrated Tommy's birthday, which I haven't done in a long time due to COVID. So I woke up early and went to work. I don't know if I disclosed this or not, but I'm a full-time nanny. I used to nanny all the time before work, but I was during the pandemic, we were all let go, so I did full-time nannying. I'm back with a family I love and other families that I work with here and there. So yeah, I'm gonna do a mini Sephora haul. Let me take a pump with this coffee because I need a little energy. This is the crackhead energy. This is the crackhead vibes I need. So I went to Sephora and I got me some things. So this I actually wore. Ooh, I feel like a real influencer. I actually wore this foundation Sunday. And let's just say I got the compliment that, I mean, I didn't look like this. I mean, I looked like this, but my curls were revamped and everything. Now I just look like a little sausage. But I got a Georgia Smith compliment. But you know what? People are so dumb. People compliment you based on your hair and your skin tone. Sometimes I believe. Because me and Georgia Smith do look nothing alike. We literally have the same complexion. She actually might be a little more yellow, like white. I think I have a red undertone. Yeah, in the camera I can see a red undertone. She has a yellow undertone. So this is the Charlotte Tilbury foundation. And when I say this, like, run to your nearest Nordstrom or Bloomingdale's, I believe that's where it's sold. It's not sold at Sephora, or I think it is, but online. This foundation, let me just open it up. I'm a cool. Packaging is fire. The pump, it's sensitive, so I'm not gonna do it. But when I say this is fire, and it's so elegantly put, you know, hold on, let me just, wow, right there. It's so elegantly put, like it looks like something fancy, you know. And the thing is, the reason why I really wanted to get this foundation, because I don't wear foundation, I only wear tinted moisturizer or sunscreen, which is basically tinted moisturizer. And I just wanted a full cover foundation that was light and easy. And if that's what you're looking for, this, you don't need to do multiple pumps. You can really do one or two depending on your skin, you know. If you have certain impurities and stuff like that. But run to your local Nordstrom, because when I say that it's the holy grail of foundations, and I am not a big makeup person. I love makeup, but to do it every day, it's like a task, you know. But I'm low-key envious of people who can have the energy to get up and do it every day. But me, I just like, I don't know. It's not me, it's my skin. It really doesn't like anything on it unless it's like tinted moisturizer, which is basically like putting on lotion. So I'm kind of tricking my skin. But yeah, I got so many great compliments on my skin. Then I got the Charlotte Tilbury at Sephora. This is how they get you. Like I said earlier, I always heard about the airbrush spray, but it really had me sold when one of the workers at Sephora was like, no, I'm not gonna even like gas it up. This literally gives you a setting finish spray like you're going to, like it's your wedding day. And when I say, baby, this had my face look like glowing. I don't know what's in it. It smells beautiful. I'm not too crazy about fragrance smells and stuff like on the skin, but this, this is the airbrush flawless setting spray. Party all night, stay all day, and yes it did. My makeup did not move even when I went to bed drunk as hell. And I woke up, my makeup was done. This was the Glowgasm. Well, unfortunately, this is the only one left, but I'm glad it was because it is so beautiful. See the comment. This is the Glowgasm, and it's the wand. Okay, and it has an on and off thing. So let me turn it on. Let me just swipe it. Oh, it still has some from the other night. I don't know if you guys can see that. Oh, hold on. Yeah, that is so pretty, and it looks so like you could literally get away with wearing this with a tinted moisturizer and look like it's the natural. It has a natural glow as if the sun's hitting your face all the time. It is so nice. Look at me thinking I'm a real makeup guru. This comes with the little. This is the Pillow Talk Intense 3. See how brown that is? Look how brown that is. Okay. The only thing I didn't know what they were going with this, but I see it was like a flapper's look back in the day lip. Cause this is not, Bo, stop. This is what it looks like next to it. And that's definitely different. Like that's different. But it go, oh, did I dink it? Oh, I did dink it. Okay. Well, crying in the cage because I let Chewy out. He's in a bad way. And what I was really happy, okay, oh, actually, first of all, I think this is just a Charlotte Tilbury mini haul. But I got the push-up lashes because I heard so many reviews. I got the small one. Because everyone talks about lashes, but everyone's lashes voluminize differently depending on the wand and stuff like that. So I got the Pillow Talk push-up lashes because I've been hearing nothing but good stuff about this. Like every time I'm on a reel on Instagram, in the CCC's credit, it's always like, I use this mascara for my eyes and the girls' eyes look gorgeous. And they're not playing. It is a 24-hour effect because I'm still trying to got this because I needed an under eye cream. It is the Organs Ginseng Refreshing Under Eye Cream. Ooh, this looks good. Ooh. See, I don't know about fragrances, but I know ginseng has a natural. I know like turmeric and stuff have natural smells that you know when it's in the product and stuff. So refreshing eye cream with the brighten and depuff. I don't get puffy in the morning, but as lately I have. But yeah, my under eyes do get dark. I can usually tell if I didn't get enough sleep the night before. But I've been trying to shoot for 8 to 9 hours of sleep because it helps your skin, it helps you lose weight. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually lose weight faster by understanding that you need 8 to 9 hours of sleep. So right now I'm at 6 to 7 hours. So yeah. But this is what it looks like. It's really going on. Let me just be one of these people. Right? It's really soft. Creams are usually soft because it's a cream made to, depuff and unload the nastiness under the eyes. But I got this because the Inky List has been all over everyone's TikTok, Instagram, and everything. So I was like, let me try. So I walked in and I was like, well, where they put it at is exactly what I needed, because whenever you go in these stores and you see, like, as you scroll on your social media and you're just like, oh, it clicks, like, oh, I think I want to try that. Oh, I think I need it. But this is basically formulated to brighten skin and gently remove makeup. But something that she explained to me is that she has she has an intolerance. I guess her skin does not like vitamin C, and the last time I checked, I don't think my skin likes vitamin C either. But this basically brightens and cleans at the same time. So if you're looking for this, act like a cleanser, it brightens your impurities. Like these dark marks, she said it would lighten them up because it has a formula in there that does that. But yeah, I'll probably be filming 2 videos, so I'm not gonna put this all together. So I'm gonna do this mini haul. I'm gonna film that. I have to edit my other video of our self-care Saturdays and upload that. Then I have to edit this one, and then I have to film the summer bucket list that I made. We're right in the middle of the summer, which is perfect because there's so much more things to do. The weather's getting right, so yeah. But you know, this will be just like a mini haul, and you know, I'm just back. I told you guys I'm back. That's what I do. Don't mind the booty. Yeah. Peace out. Remember, guys, we can. End of story.